Your car's brakes are one of the most important parts of your vehicle, so it's essential they are kept in perfect working order. Brake fluid ensures that the pressure applied to the brake pedal is transferred to the brake pads, which grip the brake discs and slow the car. As the brakes are applied, heat is generated, and at high temperatures the brake fluid can boil, reducing the stopping ability of your brakes. Brake fluid also absorbs moisture over time, and a higher moisture content means the brake fluid boils at lower temperatures, resulting in a spongy feel in the brake pedal and increased braking distances. Brake fluid also protects the brake lines from corrosion, but over time this protection is reduced, leaving your brake system more prone to corroding. You should replace the brake fluid at Volkswagen's recommended intervals. During this service, we check the fluid level, examine the system for leaks, and drain and refill the brake fluid reservoir, then fill the entire system with new brake fluid. By replacing your brake fluid at regular intervals, you can have peace of mind that your brake system is in great condition, and you can prevent contamination that may require additional repairs.